from fifth house. So right now your fifth house lord and your 10th house lord is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Leo, and Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your eighth house on 23rd July 2023. So when Venus will turn into its retrograde motion, we can expect you may have some disturbance regarding your education and your workplace. If you are working right now or if you are in education life, we can expect both of these matter. We can expect you may have to face some difficulty, problem and issues in your life regarding your 10th house matter, which we have just discussed, and your fifth house matters, because 8th house deal with sudden unexpected events, and 8th house, 6th house and 12th house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. So you need to be very careful regarding your children, your education related matters, your love related matters, also your